What's going on, everybody? I am Untrained Astronaut. In today's episode, we're assembling this here 10x10 tent that I'm standing in. This tent was given to me by AC Infinity, along with a 5x5 that I'm very happy to have. This tent right here is going to be for all the other content creators that you guys were voting for on the poll that I did. Referring back to last episode, be sure to check it out. This tent is wonderful, and I must say, the quality is phenomenal in comparison to the previous 10x10 that I had in this exact spot. They have measurements going all the way up your side post. I also happened to notice that these poles were much thicker than the previous 10x10 I had in here. Man, do these 9-inch AC Infinity clip-on fans kick ass. I mean, it really moves wind. Not only does it come with a mounting plate for you to put your T69 Pro Plus controller, but it comes with individual slots that you can place the wires through and guide them for optimal organization and a very clean aesthetic look. After getting this thing all set up, the first thing I did was went inside of it and looked for light leaks, and I wasn't able to find any. Another thing that caught my eye was how thick this material was. It is truly impressive how much quality is in this package. With that being said, it's fucking awesome.